Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Daz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a from time to time I do fragrances that are almost unheard of, almost nobody knows about them, even me don't know about any of these. I bought from eBay. One seller was selling few fragrances that I've never seen before, I never heard before, and when I did my research I couldn't find anything about them in terms of literature, who they are, where they come from, where they sell it, nothing. It just basically, this is the only one I have, and it looks like it's the only one in the whole world. Obviously it must be some other places that you can buy this, but for that it's like a challenge, it's a mystery, it's a unknown, it's intriguing. So I thought I'll bring it to your attention, and it's maybe just for fun, but if you can find them then maybe yes, because the last one that one was the similar to this, unknown, mysterious. I never heard of them and I couldn't find any literature about them, and I reviewed and unboxed and reviewed it, and it was fantastic fragrance. So this is another one I bought from the same seller, and then let's see how it goes. So before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So this one in particular is called Lailat Al Shaikh, which means the night of Sheikh or the night of King. The only thing is there is another perfume out there which called Lailat Al Shaikh, similar name, from Arda Zafran, which is quite widely available. This is not it. Okay, this is from a company called Ehsaas, which I never heard of, never seen before, and it's very intriguing. So this one is called Ehsaas, and this one is called Lailat Al Shaikh, which is Night of King. It's 100 ml eau de parfum. The only thing it says here is made in UAE, made in United Arab Emirates. So if you live in United Arab Emirates and you can access information about these fragrances, let us know. I am definitely intrigued. Okay guys, so let's go. As you can see, nice box, golden and brown, and quite a nice simple box. Again, for 12 quid, you can't complain. Here we go. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so golden brown, attention to detail is quite nice. Ehsaas UAE, and look at this. Never seen or heard of them before. Wow, look at the bottle. Looks good looking bottle, huh? Plastic cap, nothing to brag about. A very old atomizer, which I don't mind. Here we go. Atomizer is quite good. Ooh, goodness me, powdery. These things are very intriguing. Where do they come from? Here we go. First impression. Wow, super powdery, orange blossom, definitely of the valley, definitely violet in here. Very floral, similar to the last one. The last one was very floral as well, but again, bang in the middle. Anybody can wear this, although it could lean a little bit feminine. But to me, if you like a perfume, you wear it. You don't like a perfume, don't wear it. Simple as that. It doesn't matter who is aimed for. This one is not aimed for any sex anyway, so it's completely unisex. Sweet, it's like a caramel, some vanilla feel to it as well, but right now super floral. So it's got lily of the valley, it's got jasmine, it's got orange blossom, it's got quite it's a little bit rosy as well. Yeah, definitely rosy. but it's got some green aspect to it as well, which is like a carnation feel to it. What an intriguing smell. Where did this come from? I never heard of Ehsaas before. So it says made in UAE, United Arab Emirates. Who they are, where they are, what they're selling, I have no idea, because as I said, I did my research on Google it. No literature, no website, no even another perfume from them. Say, okay, another perfume from them, let's see how they are. Nothing. So nothing comes up. Very mysterious, very unknown, very intriguing. But who they are, I don't know. Are they selling worldwide? I don't know. Are they selling it only in Dubai? I don't know. So please, if you know these things, let us know in the comments. That would be very, very helpful, very useful for us to know. But what an opening. It reminds me, don't quote me on that, okay? It's not a copy, or it reminds me of Ghislaine somehow, you know. It's that powdery floral plus that citrus, that, you know, Glen, they utilize that beautiful citrus and also the florals in a way that everything mash and in a harmony and beautiful, and sometimes you get that powdery feel to it. The powderiness from here, it reminds me of Ghislaine. I'm not sure what are they inspired by something, are they copying something, I don't know, but it gives me that Ghislaine feel. Wow, what a smell. It's got little bit of ooh, what is that? God, I forgot. Licorice, little bit of licorice. That's why it reminds me of the Ghislaine, because they're utilizing licorice in here, similar to Ghislaine. You know, so Ghislaine got, sometimes they have you know, utilize beautifully that licorice feel. Yeah, very, very good, amazing. Again, first impression, first sniff, very, very good, very intriguing, very interesting. I'll let you know in the next video development, changes and longevity and things like that. But for first sniff, first impression, beautiful, and 2 thumbs up, and I'll let you know in the next video. Thank you very much. As always, if you like what I do, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, I leave them in the description as well. And I see you later. Bye, bye, bye.